So, we're out here at the outlet. It's hot. Very hot. Yesterday felt better. But I'm going to exchange some shirts. Don't know what else. So, yeah. You guys, we're back in the car. We exchanged a few shirts that we got my father. And we went into a couple of stores, but we are not staying out here because it's too hot. As you guys see, I am sweating. But now we're about to head to Cookout. You guys, I went to Cookout in my spring break vlog. So if you guys haven't seen that, go watch those. So yeah, we're in Cookout. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I got a drink. Ooh. And we just ordered our food and went on our food. Then we're gonna eat. So we just left Cookout. Ooh, Jesus! Y'all witnessed that on camera. I'm keeping this in the video. But like I was saying before, I almost got hit. She just left the drive. She sure did. We're leaving Cookout and heading home before I got rudely interrupted. Safety first, kids. We are back home. About to look up some free editing software for my iPhone and iPad, so I can have different edits for you guys, and it won't be just me putting clips in and adding music, things like that. I want to be a little bit more better than that because that is basic. I am not a basic. I just got done filming a sneaker video for you guys that I got at the outlet. Not today. We went to the outlet the other day. And that video will go up on Wednesday because this vlog is going up tomorrow. When you guys see this, it'll be Tuesday. So, yeah. I'm looking at GoPro vlogging setups because I was looking at one for my phone. Then I was like, I have a GoPro, so I need to use it. You know what I mean? Like, use what you have. So, instead of buying extra stuff for my phone, I'll buy stuff for my GoPro. Don't know when I'm going to get that. I'm just letting you guys know. But I will let you guys know when and if I get the things I am looking at. Hey you guys, I'm walking to the store right now. About to get me a snack. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm about to get. Got the goods, man. About to go ahead and head back to the house and get finished watching Family Feud. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys